looked in wide wonder.
That thing looked vicious.
At the joy they had found.
I'm Mr. Kananza, and today we are going to go to the firing range. I'm wearing my special suit and my glasses. As you saw in the intro of the video, I was getting chased by rabid squirrels. And yeah, they carry West Nile. Didn't know what that is. Vicious. Alright, so I've got my fire instructor over here. His name is Orlando.
I broke 1,000 hearts.
So as you saw in my napkin video, I'm just gonna give you 5 simple steps to shooting a gun, and let's go. Orlando. Hold up. Say I'm gonna shoot a gun. Hang on. Hello, I'm Mr. Kananza, as you know. And we're at the firing range right now, and I've got my magazine, my rocks, and first step in firing a weapon. First of all, you have to load the clip, which I've already done, and we're going to use beanbag rounds today. They're perfectly safe, no bullets. I'm not a terrorist. Alright, second step, you're going to load your gun. Put the first in, put it in, smack it to check-free jams. Okay, third step, you're going to come up, walk over to the firing booth, like so. Okay, now, first you're going to hold the gun at your shoulder. Third step, that's the third step. Fourth step, pull the safety off. Okay, fifth step. It'll slopper. I had some pie earlier. Fifth step, you're gonna gently squeeze the trigger. Oh, I'm sorry, forgot to put the strap on. Hang on. Okay. Sorry.
Just shoot the dang gun!
We're gonna try this again. No rushing in the background. And here we go. Ready? Oh look, it's a bird. Say bye, Bambi. Here's the 75 gun salute. It means I'm gonna shoot 75 shots or until I get tired. All right. Let's go through the steps again. Number 1, load your gun. Number 2, strap.
I like this.
Number 3, safety off. Number 4, on your shoulder. And number 5, I'm not gonna aim for trees and fire. See how it just goes out of the gun and it just shoots into the air like crazy. You know? Oh, sorry. You know, it just doesn't stop. It's just like they use these in the army for special tactics. And I know, oh, I just killed a squirrel. And, all right. That was only 74. Hang on. Crap, that was 76. Gotta start over. All right, well, thank you. Have a nice day. We brought out the biggest gun we could find. They call her Big Bertha. And today we're gonna shoot her. All right. I've ducked below so I don't get hit by any tree limbs. In fact, with this gun, trees might fall. All right. So here we go. Weighs like 50,000 pounds. Clear. Pull. Don't be alarmed by the rapid shooting. It's a procedure. Yep. Pretty good. All right. So I don't even know why this handle's there, but I guess it's important. So Orlando let me shoot this thing, and thanks Orlando for helping me today. And I'll see you next time on my next episode.